2021 Toyota 4Runner from brake replacement. It is the same procedure on the Lexus GX460. So I would strongly suggest that you guys grease those pins with WD-40 prior to removal. So let's start by removing our pin right there. Make sure you guys save them because sometimes they might not come with the new brake pads and rotors. So let's tap the pin with a small hammer like this, and we're gonna use a plier like this to pull it out all the way. Sometimes they can be seized in the ball. Into the bottom one. Let's remove the pin, the anti-water clip here. Make sure you save those. For this part, you can use a plier like this or a screwdriver to pop the old brake pad out of the caliper. They have a tendency to seize because of dirt and debris. And let's remove our caliper bolt. There is two 90mm, one on top, one at the bottom. We can use a regular 1/2" ratchet with a 90mm or a air gun like this with a swivel 19 to remove it. Make sure you use a bungee cord to hold this caliper. It's pretty heavy and they don't have regular flexible holes. We're gonna use a hammer like this to tap the brake rotor and clean the brake hub with a wire brush like this. I'll include those parts in the comment section below. And clean our caliper with a brush like this. Let's put our new rotor in. I'm gonna use one of the couple bolts to hold the rotor in place. And we're gonna use the caliper compressing tool to compress the caliper piston. The link for this tool is in the comment section as well. Let's put that caliper back in. Now we're gonna put our brake pad in. They only go in one way. There it is. We're going to start with the top one first. Add the pin. You're gonna use the hammer to tap it in so it can be fully seated. For the second one, you'll have to put make sure you put those clip back in so that this piece doesn't pop out. Make sure you put your entire water clip first, and you will add the rod later. There it is. Gonna use the hammer once again. Pay close attention. There it is. Make sure you put those clips back in before you complete the job. And that's it, guys. Pretty straightforward. Don't forget to pump your brake before test drive. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, guys.